My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Very windy today, so we're going to do the voiceover. This is a big power yoga workout. Click that like button and let's get going, not wasting a moment. Begin in downward facing dog. Modify as needed. Always use control. And let's get moving, building strength, flexibility, and mobility. Inhale forward to plank position, hands under the shoulders. Rocking, moving, and then lower down, chaturanga, elbows hugging the ribs. Inhale, lift up into upward facing dog. Drop the shoulders. Getting nice and itchy from the grass. Take it back to downward facing dog. Shake it out. Right leg up. Bend the knee into a down dog scorpion. Opening that hip. Sweep the right foot forward. Lunge with a twist. Bringing the arm up and over, take it back slightly, hands coming down, step back to down dog, left leg up into scorpion, bending the knee, opening, add the twist, sweep the foot forward and lunge with a twist, straight lines all the way up into that blue sky. Hands down, step back, bend the knees, inhale forward, rounding the back, and then lower down to the ground, inhale, up dog. Reaching to the sky. Take it back. Downward facing dog. Right leg up. Scorpion. Bend the knee. Sweep that foot forward. We have lunge position. Bring it up. And into warrior 3. Take the arms back. Softness in the front knee. Set that foot down. Lunge position. Arms up. Cactus arms. Opening the chest. Hands down, step back, down dog, left leg, down dog, scorpion. Sweep forward, we have lunge position. Fix the cap, and then warrior 3. Find your focus, planting those feet. Lots of breath, feeling that strength. Step back, lunge, find the balance. There we are, arms up, cactus arms, my friends. Opening your breath. Hands down, step back, bend the knees into a squat, and then sweep it through. There's a hover into up dog. Drop the shoulders down, squeeze the glutes, downward facing dog. Shake out the legs, breathe, bend the knees, hop or walk forward. We have chair pose, pressing back in the heels, tippy toes if you like, and the weight is in the glutes. Reach the arms back and make the chair fly. Lots of breath, squeezing the core, lace the fingers, mudra, forward fold. Down we go, soften the knees, and then back up into chair. See if you can go a little bit lower. Tippy toes, perhaps, make it fly, perhaps. Find the focus, find the presence in the pose. And again, mudra, forward fold, draw the arms back. Bring it through, hands down, step back, squat, sweep it through again, hover into up dog. Drop the shoulders, shimmy slightly, squeeze the glutes, take it back, down dog scorpion, right leg. Sweep the right foot forward, warrior position, and reverse that warrior, bending that front knee, slide the hand down the leg, the left hand. Arms through, cactus arms, opening the chest, side angle, forearm on the leg, left arm up. Circle that arm a few times. Hit that cord, stepping back, down dog, left leg, down dog, scorpion. Bring it through, warrior position, line up the heels. Ta-da! Repositioning myself for reverse warrior. Reaching up and back, a mighty pose, cactus arms. Opening up your posture, and then side angle pose yet again. Circling the arm. Hands down, stepping back, squat position, sweep it through. A lot of strength, a lot of power happening into up dog. Downward facing dog. Right leg up, scorpion. Opening. Bring the right foot forward. And warrior position, double arm reverse warrior. Take the hands up and back. Upper body reaching tall, and then cactus arms. And then triangle pose. Place the right hand on the leg and extend the left arm, circling that arm. Moving pretty fast here, my friends. Hands down and revolve the triangle, reaching the right arm up. Feel that rotation. Hands down, step back, down dog, left leg up, down dog, scorpion. Sweep it through, left foot forward. And we have warrior position. Tuck in the shirt, please, and double reverse warrior. Both arms up, feeling the strength in the sides and the core, and then cactus arms. Pull those elbows back. There we are. Oh, is this just not glorious, my friends? Now, side angle, sweeping the arm around, circling into triangle pose. A little add-on, extend that triangle. Arm up and over. Hands down, and then revolve the triangle. Left arm comes up. Lengthen that left leg as much as possible. Hands down, step back, bend the knees, sweep it through. Up dog. Take it back, down dog. Shake it out, shake off the rust. Little kicks, walking the legs. Let me show you what that looks like from the front. Get your upper body moving as well, into the walk. See how I dip side to side. It's a total flush for your spine and your back and shoulders. It feels amazing. Right leg up, scorpion. And bring that right leg across the body and lift up into a side bend. Hands down, bring the leg through, back up to scorpion. And again, sweep it through, open it up. You can watch this first and then do it. Moves fast. Other leg up, left leg up, scorpion, down dog. Bring that leg through across and lift. What am I smiling about? I don't know, but I'm enjoying myself. I hope you are too. Bring the leg up, scorpion. Let's do that again. Leg across and lift. Press into the ground. Feel that strength. Hands come down, step back, bend the knees. Here's the flow. Sweep it through, up dog. There's a front view of Coach Vigue enjoying himself. Wide-legged down dog, press back and reach across. We're going to go back and forth into this dynamic and powerful exercise. There's the twist. As you bring the hands forward, rock forward slightly and then press back into the heels. Exhale, reach across. Inhale, center. Exhale, across. Feel that rhythm. Let your shoulders release. Let your lower back celebrate the movement. Across. This is a summer of 50 for me. I turned 50 in a couple weeks. This is one of my favorite exercises. Stay limber and strong. Bring the legs together. Bend the knees and sweep it through. Vinyasa, up dog. There's the smile. Tuck that in, Sean. That's a good idea right there. Tuck that shirt in. Now bring it to down dog. Here's a side view again. Itch your nose. Shake it out. Right leg up. Down dog, scorpion. Sweep the right foot forward. Warrior position. There's the double reverse warrior. Yet again, one of my favorites, building strength in the center and legs. Now bring that right arm underneath the right leg. This is the airplane warrior. Here's the front view. You hold that pose. Try to get the arms parallel to the ground. Easier said than done. Bring it through. Step back and down dog scorpion, left leg. Let's repeat. Come to warrior position. Double reverse warrior. Into the airplane. Hop over. I don't have my mat because it kept blowing away. So I have to figure out where I am. There's the airplane warrior, my friends. Build that strength. Hands down, step back, bend the knees, and flow. Bring it through to up dog. Shoulders back and down. Downward facing dog. Bend the knees again. Hop forward and come to a seated position for half boat pose. Fix the blouse. Arms forward, shoulders back. Emphasis in the abdominals. Or extend the legs all the way out into the beloved full boat pose. Lots of breath. Pump the breath in. Shred your abs. Now cross the ankles, step back. There's a squat. Sweep it through. Vinyasa flow. We're going to do that again in case I was a little too fast. There's no such thing as too fast. Bend the knees. Hop forward. Come down. There's half boat or full boat. Make it so. Just got to practice. Stay consistent. Do it every day and you will get so smooth. You'll slide right off the floor. Step back, squat, sweep through. Take your time. Become one with the grass. Up dog. What was that, Sean? You say one more. Bend the knees. Hop forward. Half boat or full boat. Am I shaking or is that the wind? Let me know below. Where are you training with me today? Let me know that below also. I'd love to hear where you are in the world training with Coach Vigue. Cross the ankles, step back, squat, and sweep. Up dog. Shimmy those shoulders. Nice and loose, nice and mobile, nice and flexible. Nice and everything. I do up dog every day, every night. Take it back, down dog. Shake out the legs. Right leg up, down dog, scorpion. Sweep the right foot forward. And we have warrior position. There's, we're going to do double reverse warrior. Had to do a shirt tuck. That is essential for a yoga instructor. Cactus arms. And now, reach that left arm forward. We have revolving triangle. So good, we got to do it again. Take that other arm, if you can, to your lower back. Think of wringing out your sides, squeezing out the sides. Hands down, step back, left leg up, down dog, scorpion. Sweep the left foot forward, warrior position. Get your hand out of there, Sean. There you go, double reverse warrior. Look how much happier I am now. Reaching back, legs sinking down, cactus arms. Are you ready? Here's how we get into that. Revolving triangle, right arm forward. Place it down. Open up. Full revolving. Energizing your sides or the arm to the back. Stretching that front leg. Feel the IT band. Releasing, pushing back. Hands down, step back, squat. Sweep through, elbows into the sides. Slow it down if you can. Test that strength every single day. Always training. Up dog. Always training. Moving. Flowing. Squeeze the glutes. Bending the legs if you like. Extra stretch for the low back and glutes. Keep your shoulders down. Relax your toes. Am I telling you to do too much? Sorry, that's what I do. I want to give you all the cues I can. Some might just flow right through. Some will really hit a chord. All right, child's pose. Take the knees wide, stretch it back, sway side to side. Let's release the back even more. Get the breath. The breath. Inhale, exhale. Fill all the compartments in the body. And I'm going to sway it side to side. I'm going to add the lower body. Add that if you want. It feels amazing. Makes me feel like Spider-Man. Like I can do anything physically. As my whole body opens, it expands, youthening my body. Take that arm up. Let's thread the needle, bring it through. Kick that leg out if you like. Another Spider-Man inspired move, encouraging that twist. Enjoy the blue skies. I'm in West Salem, Wisconsin, my beautiful hometown for the summer. Other arm comes up, thread the needle, bring it through, balance it out. How you feeling? If you want more power yoga like this, let me know below. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. There's always so much more to do, so many places to film. I love it. Love training with you. Press it up. All right. Shoulder rolls. Roll those shoulders up, back, and down. Great for your posture, taking the tension out of your neck and shoulders and giving you a flush of energy. Take the arms up. And side bend. Take it back and forth, hand down. You can also sit in a cross-legged position. Leaving here, take those arms up over the head with all this posture. Cactus arms. Opening up. Feeling good. Feeling the chest open. Shoulders away from the ears. Once again, arms up. Cactus arms again. Go on with your day with all the energy and strength and flexibility you can handle. Shoulder rolls, arms up, and hands together. Bring them down in front of the chest. Breathing. Excellent work, my friend. If this workout helped, click that like button, subscribe, click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Shake it out. If you want more, you can try my Sean Vigue Fitness app. Free for 7 days is the first link down below. Hundreds of exclusive videos not found on YouTube are in the Sean Vigue Fitness app. Cancel anytime. God bless you, my friends. See you soon. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, You need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.